Poswal Hair Care Regime. Hi, I am Dr. Arvind Poswal from Dr. Hayes Clinic, Delhi, India. And today I'll be speaking to you about my hair care regime. This regime is specially focused on treating hair aging, especially premature hair aging, which is mediated by an unhealthy epigenome. However, this same regime can also be used by ladies who want healthy hair, by anyone who has diffuse or notices early hair loss, or due to hair loss if one goes for chemotherapy, or due to a change in residence or office location. All of these things which causes a rapid and unpredictable hair loss, there also this regime is very beneficial. So if you are totally bald and you still want to follow this regime, then I can say that of course it will not grow hair on a totally bald head. It will just make the scalp healthy, looking younger. So good luck. We come down to what this regime consists of. It consists of a derma roller. And we make sure that we make channels with this derma roller in your scalp skin, and then we take the supplements in a particular way and we apply them on the scalp, and then we use this derma roller again to make sure that they reach their target location in the skin, not on top of the skin. So this is a derma roller. Don't be afraid. It is very cheap, easy to get and easy to use. Just make sure that it is always sterilized, because it is going to make holes in your skin, right? So nothing to be afraid of. It's not as if it's going to hurt you a lot like PRP injections. It is not going to do that. But with these, through the same channels which we make with this derma roller, moving it like this on top of your skin, we will also ensure that the PRP liquid goes into the skin at its targeted location. Minoxidil goes into the skin at its targeted location. And all these supplements which I am presenting to you for age reversal of your hair, so that your hair remains young and healthy and vital, right? So this you can order from us also. You can order online, nothing costly, just 200-300 rupees. Just make sure that whenever you use it and you have to store it or reuse it, you clean it, keep it very safe, or you buy a derma pen with the disposable needles. Both are possible. So how do we do this process? It's very simple. We are going to use Resveratrol and NMN in our first process part, and that will be by mixing and making a solution of that. You can contact me to know what are the other inert ingredients, because these things don't dissolve just in plain water. I'll be happy to share those details with you. And then these 4 steps will be: 1. Clean your head. 2. Make those channels with the derma roller. 3. Apply the products. And 4. Make the channels again, so that these products go inside, and wait for at least overnight. Leave it like that. Don't wash it off. We want all the maximum benefits to go into the skin, to those weak hair follicles, to rejuvenate them, to make them young once again. Young, healthy, nutrition, well-fed hair follicles, which will give you the hair which you want, shiny and long hair. So those are the ways in which we are going to complete this step as a special additional step. If you are a doctor and you are providing it to your patients, then what you can do is, in the last step, you can also add the PRP liquid on top of that, and again use the derma roller one more final time. So that way we can make sure that these 2 supplements, they will reach their target location. Apart from this, fisetin or senolytic drugs, you can take it on a regular basis, but I need to know your current status of health before you start that. If you want to start it and you are far away from me, then you consult your healthcare provider. Ideally, you should not be having any illness before you start taking fisetin or any senolytic drug which is going to remove the senile cells or senescent cells from your body, especially from around your hair follicle. Last, of course, calcium alpha ketoglutarate. Once you have graduated, you have used this for at least around 6 sessions, you can graduate to calcium alpha ketoglutarate. So this is the regime in gist. I will talk about each part separately in separate videos. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to contact me. I am available to answer you on WhatsApp. That is a preferred mode of communication. If you find it difficult, you can send me an email. Do send me pictures of your scalp. And remember, take regular pictures of your scalp. Take them at a particular angle. Take them in a good clear light. And do not use flash. Thank you. Bye bye.